Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now we're going to take a look at some of our cashew apple trees. It's been raining pretty hard. We're now into June the 6th, 2022, and oh yeah, look at that. Got some storm clouds back there. And these guys should be producing something if they're going to produce. So let's take a look. This one doesn't seem to be doing much. I don't see any flowers or any buds of any sort coming out of this one. Yeah, I don't see anything. So let's look at these guys. These ones were affected from the winter, so this is the second dieback for this particular location. However, they're coming back. So hopefully this time around they come back and they stay back. So that way they can start looking more like this. Let's look over here. There's a cajillion flowers over here. You see, this is what we want. Now these flowers smell almost like a gardenia cross between a night blooming jasmine. So there's a bunch of flowers. I don't see any fruit though. Oh wait. Oh yes. Look at that. There is a right there. I know you can see it. So this is going to be the apple of the cashew apple, and this is going to be the nut. Very good. Very good. And all these flowers, hopefully our pollinators come through and they really do some good work here. This is amazing. Now these flowers are so small that they wouldn't attract necessarily using color, but their scent is strong, so they most likely are attracting using that scent, attracting pollinators. So here you go, look at that. There's not a lot going on in there. Some flowers in here. Let's see where. Yeah, it's crazy to see this many flowers. I bet you it would be a good idea to get some bees around here, but when you do that, you invite the opportunity for bees to produce nests in and around the house. So that's kind of a risky thing to do. I don't see any other fruit. So yeah, let's keep looking. Maybe we'll find some more soon here in a minute, because we're on the side that faces the sun a little better, so hopefully that equals more production. Such a big tree, you would think that there would be a lot more fruit right now. Okay, I see another one. I see some more fruit right there. There you go. That's a little cashew apple right there. You see it? There's the nut. That's good news. And then there's another little baby right there. So this section is definitely producing. Let's go ahead and back out. What are these guys doing over here? Anything? I don't see much going on there. We've got flowers. Lots of flowers. Where else we got? Oh, look at this. Oh, look at those two. Dang, those are kind of big. This whole bushel right here is gonna create a bunch of cashew nuts. That's crazy. Look how big that thing is. Hopefully these are viable so that we can germinate them. And the way we're going to know is if we water test them. Supposedly if they sink, they're viable, but if they float, they're duds. Alright, so that's this location. There's some more. There's another nut down there growing. Very cool. Alright, let's check our other locations. Alright, look at this. Here's our other location on the side of the yard. This one we thought was dead completely, but apparently it's coming back. That's great news. This one over here is producing just a few flowers. I don't see any cashew apples growing yet. A few flowers there, no apples. Over here I don't see any flowers on this one. This one either. But they are very green and pretty, I can tell you that. No flowers on this one. No flowers. No flowers on this one. And no flowers on this one. Not yet anyway. They probably won't produce then. I don't know, not this year anyway. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of these cashew apple trees. Have a good day.